Flying the UMX Turbo Timber Evolution. A bit windy. You can probably see the flag up there, the wind direction, coming in pretty strong. So we'll do a flight here with the 2S 700 milliamp, and you can see the wings flapping around. So here we go. I'm going to do test the control surfaces. Ailerons are good, rudder is good, elevator is good, and we're going to go with just half flaps and see if it'll get off the ground with that. So here we go. Full up elevator and turn on the arms.
Flaps up.
And I'm going to keep it down over the field just because I can stay out of the sun on this side of the runway. Had a friend, one of my friends from the club said, "Hey, you can fly from over there. You don't have to stand right there." So in front of the stations. It does make it a lot better when the sun's where it is. Lets you fly a little bit more in the afternoon. First time I've flown the Turbo Timber Evolution UMX version here at the club, and flying pretty well.
6 minutes.
It's going to be tough to see when I'm that far away. Let's bring it in a little bit closer. See how that wind is just blowing it. We'll see what it drifts. Right now it just let up as I'm coming in, of course. But flying really nice there.
Safety off.
Extra weight definitely helps in this wind.
5 minutes.
Now the wind's coming pretty much straight down the runway. Come in for a low pass. Probably not too slow given the wind. Oop. I'm gonna have to take it around that way and bring it back out onto the runway. Don't want to fly over the pits.
Safety on. Flaps down.
See if we can almost make it stand still.
Flaps up. 3.
That was only half flaps.
You almost go 2 miles an hour.
That's for sure.
I thought it was going to be a complete stop.
All right, I'll try full flaps this time.
Area pretty good?
Yeah. Well, actually, I don't do that. I haven't harried this one. Bad angle. Of course, now the wind lets up, right? Eh,
Flaps down. Flaps up.
oh, now we got wind.
2 minutes.
Oop. Pretty good drift to the left there going up the alternate runway.
Safety off. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Safety on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tall grass got me. Thanks for watching.